Jan here. How are you? I know it's been a minute since I came on to let you know some of the progress that we're making, but I wanted to show you what we're doing in our back porch to kind of use a very budget-friendly way to update it. What you see right here in this picture is the back of the house in a screened-in lanai that was here when we bought the house. It has a terracotta floor on it. It didn't have a lot of furniture or anything behind here. It had some nice plants and it had a ceiling fan. In the background there is a screen that allows you to see into the neighbor's screened-in porch, and there wasn't really a lot of privacy on that end of the screened-in lanai. There's also some plasticware, some older furniture, so it really could use a little bit of love. You can also notice that it had 3 windows across, or a sliding door of 3 across the back, and a window. And what we found out was that these windows were 20 years old and they had a lot of condensation, and you could hear the wind and you could feel the wind, and we thought, okay, if we're going to replace them, what would be the ideal thing to replace them with? This is the other end of the room right here, so you can see where the doors come out. And it's kind of like a long, I'm guessing it's 30 by 10, and that's kind of how it looks. So what we decided to do was put in large doors that actually go all the way across. They go up higher and all the way across. We put in 16-foot sliding doors, and then we actually painted the floor just some white and put down some area rugs, just because we were trying to go for a more modern coastal feel as opposed to like a tile Hispanic feel, which is what the house had when we bought it. So let me show you what we did, and I'll turn the camera around. We will go outside, but I wanted to kind of give you like a visual of how big these doors are. So that is the whole side. We put up some light shears on each side of the door to add a bit of texture and to add a bit of elegance. They're hurricane-proof doors. We got them from Lowe's, and if anybody's doing a home renovation, I highly recommend you take a look at Lowe's, because if you have an LLC of any kind, they will set you up with an account that allows you to get all kinds of discounts when you buy doors, windows, appliances, flooring, countertops, whatever. And these hurricane doors, I think they were regular around, I'm thinking between 25 and 27,000. I believe we got them for 11 or 12,000, plus installation. What we had to do was hire a crew to put in a big 16-foot concrete beam across the top and right across to hold up the roof line. So that actually added a good amount of work and some expense. So the other thing we decided to do was to actually close in that screened-in side at the right. That was to give us some privacy from the neighbors. Oh, and by the way, this door just keeps opening and opening and opening. It's just a beautiful indoor-outdoor room. We decided that we would just put some right-sized furniture out here that would allow us to eat a meal, cook a dinner. We put down some cute little carpets. Like I said, we painted the flooring. And then we bought modular furniture, which allows us to take them apart and move them around. So we've had this, moved around several times to figure out what the best use of space was. But I really like this one because now we kind of have an area where we can sit, watch the sunset. We have a little fireplace table pit, table pit fireplace right here, which is nice at night. And then we just use the existing hooks and stuff to put up some pictures that we already had. That's the outdoor space. We changed the fan to white. Like I said, we got these carpets. I think they were at Home Depot or Lowe's or one of those places. And the furniture we got online at end of season. So we got this is an outdoor plant. It's actually fake. It came with the house. Put on some Christmas lights or some white lights on it, so at night it gives a little bit of an ambiance. That's our dog Bo. He's looking for lizards. But anyway, that's the space, and we just feel like it's a little more updated, upgraded, and I think the whole thing outside cost us, less than $1,500 maybe. Yeah, because we bought the furniture on discount, end of season, shipped here. We assembled everything ourselves. That takes some time, so you have to have patience for that. And yeah, it just creates a nice little cozy space for us. So until we end up adding a pool and a lanai, this is our outdoor space, and it creates a nice indoor-outdoor experience, especially on a really nice day here in Florida winters. It's just breeze and fresh air, beautiful views. Anyway, just wanted to share. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.